Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious white sauce macaroni without cheese. We'll cover everything from creating a smooth roux to combining it with perfectly cooked pasta. You'll learn the simple steps and key ingredients needed to achieve a creamy, satisfying dish that's full of flavor. Get ready to enjoy a comforting meal that's easy to prepare and a fantastic alternative to traditional macaroni and cheese. The foundation of our white sauce is a perfectly made roux. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the mixture to cook slightly and turn a light golden color. This step is crucial for a smooth, lump-free sauce. Now let's build that creamy sauce. Gradually add 2 cups of milk to your roux, whisking continuously to ensure no lumps form. Keep whisking as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. It will begin to thicken beautifully. Finally, season your sauce with salt, pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for an extra layer of warmth and flavor. Taste and adjust as needed. With your sauce ready, it's time to bring it all together. Cook 8 ounces of macaroni according to the package directions until al dente. Once cooked, drain the macaroni thoroughly, ensuring no excess water remains. Gently combine the hot macaroni with your creamy white sauce, tossing until every piece is coated. Serve this comforting dish immediately for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.